Technical analysis, it's easy, okay? You just draw some lines and then you try to make it sense. In this video, I'm going to introduce you on what I'm doing before I take a position. Hopefully, we can all make better decisions together. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the sum up button, put a comment in a section down below how to read a chart. That's the entry price. If it's red, the end price of this candle is the last price of the period. If the candle is green, the entry price is here, the closing price is here. The Wicks, for me, it's exaggeration of the market. The price has been touched here, but the closing price is here. So you don't see a full body. You see just a wick of the candle. All of those candles, they draw some patterns. You have to study the pattern based on the trend that you are in. Print that kind of shit on your wall when you trade in your office. I have created a ChatGPT assistant to analyze patterns for me. If you want this ChatGPT links, I'm going to show you in a second. All of the indicators are a reflection of the price. I have the volume, which is important because a memecoin without volume is a dead coin. It's true for every asset that you want to trade. So the first thing you want is volume based on the trend that you can see on the chart. Like for example, here it's blob. The overall trend is bullish, but see this little line, the moving average, it has been crossed. Right now, I have the moving average based on 9, which means it's the average price of the last 9 period. This point is the price of all of those candles altogether. If the price cross the moving average and go into the lower part, it's pretty bearish on that chart. It could be a reversal trend. What you want to wait in that condition is a confirmation of the next candle still trading below this moving average. It could be confirmed in the next one or even in the daily, create resistance. So the last higher high of the chart and the lower low. So here you can have support and then resistance. So that's the max price that we had here for blob. If we take a position, we can expect the price to go back up. So we go back to 8 million market cap and the resistance will be at 2.5 million market cap. If we're going into a period of consolidation, that the price can go between these two market caps. So we go low, we touch 2.5 and then traders are going to buy back the token and then we go back to 8 million market cap. So you can trade that. If you want to take a position, you would have your entry price here. I want my risk reward to be equal to 2 or even more. Mathematically, if I have a risk reward of 2.5, if I win only 60% of my position, then I will still earn money because my risk reward is higher than my win rate. Do you have any tickers that you wish you had some TAs about it? About the RSI indicator, a lot of people are using it. It's pretty straightforward to understand. The indicators is showing if the token has been overbought or oversold. If you touch 70, you are entering into the zone of like overbought. On the contrary, when we are going below 30, it means like too many people have sold too fast. It could be interesting to re-enter the position if you see some reversal patterns that indicate that the meme coins can be bullish again, and you will have a good risk reward on those positions. Fibonacci, it's introducing like retracement on the positions. To draw a fib correctly, you need to take the last candle of the reversal, and then we're going back up where you have the reversal pattern here, and the trend change. We go up and then we top and then we go back down. I don't take the wicks of the candles because for me, it's exaggeration of the market. At least it's consistent. Don't take body of the candles and then wicks to draw your chart. If you trade bodies, always trade bodies. If we break 0.5, there is a high chance that we go to 618. And if we break 16, there is a high chance that we retrace everything. A lot of people are using it, so they're gonna trade those shorts. If you combine all of those indicators, like the moving average and the RSI and the volume, then there is a higher chance that you take better decision. Now we have AI. Download the image. And then I will open ChatGPT. I have built my own trading chart analyzer. I'm going to upload from my computer. Identify pattern, double top formation near 8 million market caps. Selling potential bearish reversal. This pattern, 65% of continuation to lower support, a zone of resistance, and a possible support here. Consider re-entry near support at 4.5, stop loss at 4 million. We will have a risk ratio of 3. We will win 3 times what we lose. We want that. Take profit 6.5 for target and 8 million second target. Recommendation, wait for support at 4.5 market cap to confirm a safer high risk long entry. What about shoggoth? Breakdown below key horizontal support at 40, signaling potential bearish continuation. 70% chance of continuation around 30 million market cap, 30% chance of reclaiming 45. Volume increasing slightly, suggesting sell pressure remaining strong. Price below MA, confirming bearish momentum. Considering entry nearly 30 million. Stop loss at 28. Take profit at 75. Wait for a retest at 30 million before entering. Avoid entering now unless 40 million is reclaimed with strong volume. Zerebro, we are trading below the moving average. Tricky to have any support line here. Hopefully we don't break this one. Let's see what ChatGPT will say about it. Zerebro, pattern, identify breakdown for lower high signaling potential. Continuation on the bearish trend. 65% chance of retesting support at 350, 35% chance of reclaiming resistance. RSI slightly bearish. Volume weak, suggesting lack of buying momentum to support a recovery. MA 4021 bearish crossover, price below both AMA, confirming downtrend. Wait for a retest for a safer entry point. Cool. So we wait on this one too. It works for NFTs too. There is one collection like the function talk about the zerebro NFT. I was waiting for an entry at 5. I missed it. Then it pumped to 9. And now it's kind of entering into a dangerous zone because if it's still trend below the moving average, that could be tricky, especially for the NFT. It pumped, went crazy, broke all of the moving average, then sit on the moving average and then pumped again, and then we sit it. But here, that's the first time that we are crossing it. If we close the daily on the moving average, that's good. If we break it, that's going to be tricky, especially for an NFT collection. If I send it to ChatGPT, let's see what he's going to say about it. If I run on top with likely continuation toward lower support zone, 70% chance of retracing to 5.5, 30% chance of reclaiming above 7 for bearish, nearish oversold, but no sign of reversal yet. Declining, confirming reducing demand. Bearish crossover, both AMA signal downtrend continuation. Avoid entering now, monitor 5.5 support zone for a high risk entry setup. That's the analysis for crypto bond. Technical analysis is a tool to help you to take a better decision when you enter a position. It can definitely be applied to meme coins because you can see how people react and think when you read charts. It's good to touch 1000x on a meme coin once, but if you can replicate 2 or 3 times and protect your capital over the long term, it's even better. Be careful, take care of your money, and make sure to keep it and not giving it back to the market. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Please make sure to push up the thumb up button. Share the video in all of your crypto Telegram groups because we need more viewers if it was valuable to you. And yes, subscribe to the channel. That's important for the algorithm. And drop your tickers in the comments. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't get drugged. Take profit. And I will see you in the next live stream. Peace. Peace.